¿Ya lo hiciste todo? Se escucha en el video. ¿Viste? Se en el video. Marico, de pana que tremenda idea esa. Porque estaba pensando, me pongo el video y luego puse la misma.
Lo malo es que se pixelea, mira esto.
All good. So next we're gonna translate
Pero está ahí.
the circle onto each plane. It does? What? So we're gonna use the translate tool, which is this one. You see two planes and there's a translate.
Translate.
And then element will be sketch one, and this will be point to point. So start point would be the one on that plane. Then we'll go to the back, and then you can just click that, and then it should show us a translate. Click OK. So start point.
So the location of the circle doesn't matter at this point?
What do you mean?
I don't know, like, how is it centered?
The circle from this point to the.
Well, we can center it to make it easier, I guess.
Okay.
So we can just make it to the center. So once you have the translate, we're gonna scale this, since this would not be the same size as this. So what we're gonna use, you can use scale, but I like to use the affinity tool, which is, I think it's under translate. It's this one, square, two arrows stretching. So if you click that, that will be on the translate, and then the origin would be. I believe this is a point. Yep. Origin, you can just click on a point, and then XY plane, you right click and then click XY plane. The x-axis is just the x-axis. So what this does is allows you to scale the part out of the z direction, the y direction, or the z direction. The x direction wouldn't really matter since it's just a plane. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna change up the y and the z, so it would stretch closer to the y and the z direction. Because we can do like point A, click OK, or before clicking OK, do hide and show initial element. So the original translate will be gone.
So I'm sorry, could you use XY plane, x-axis, and just keep those values?
So you can mess with those values if you want, so you can have your own different shape. You don't have to follow exactly.
Why you use affinity again? I'm sorry, I just.
Why do I use affinity? So what affinity does is it lets you allow to change the shape based on the plane, and then will stretch on different areas. So you can just stretch the y direction and just stretch the z direction instead of the whole thing scaled
like
down.
a parameter, okay.
Yeah, so if I change to point like the y to like 2, it will be wider in the y direction 2, but the z would not change, or whatever value I put in for that.
Which fuselage station did you start at?
I start off at plane 4.
How did you know that that was going to be the larger?
I just determined it. It doesn't
Pero
really.
tú solo hiciste affinity y
And
So-
then is it easier to start at the largest cross section so that you don't have to go back and do that?
Since that, if you start off your largest physiological section, that would be your fixed point. So you know that wouldn't change no matter what design you want to change based on your plane. So you can make adjustments to the front and to the back to it not affecting your largest cross-section area.
And then when you translate it, does it translate the same size as circle?
Mm-hmm. It translates the same features of whatever you've selected.
Okay.
So after that, we're just gonna do that same thing over and over again to the back and then back up to the front. So again, it's go to translate.
Translate?
Element will be that. Start point, the two middle points. Click OK, and then click on Translate. Do the Affinity tool. Origin. Yes, one plane. And the x-axis. Make sure you hide the translate after you do the Affinity tool, so it won't mess you up.
Yeah, okay.
What does it mean when you do point to point for a translate definition?
So it's translating, so you have to add the element as what you're translating. So we're doing point to point, so in reference to the point to the other point is where we're translating. So they're taking the differences of the start point and end point, applying to your element or geometry.
And then for the start point, would you?
The start point would be on the plane.
original circle?
On the plane of that plane or that station.